Welcome back. Forum Daily's crypto update with Catherine Murray is up next. Catherine is the host of The Buck Stops Here, and she joins us now. Take it away, Catherine.
Thanks, Dima. Hello, everyone, and welcome to your weekly crypto and digital asset update. I am Catherine Murray. Well, we have seen significant volatility in cryptocurrencies moving lockstep with the global equity markets this week. And of course, the risk-off sentiment really driven by the Ukraine-Russia headlines and also U.S. inflation hitting a 4-decade high. That really has caused a risk-off tone for risk-on assets. Right now, we are seeing the value of cryptocurrencies at about $1.7 trillion. It looks as though Bitcoin is going to end the week down by about 6% week over week at around maybe 39,000. Importantly, though, we have heard from a few governments being quite supportive of cryptocurrencies. Big news this week was President Biden backing cryptocurrencies by signing a crypto-focused executive order to study digital currencies. This is to ensure responsible development of all digital assets. This was absolutely seen as a friendly move by the cryptocurrency world, sending Bitcoin up by 9% on Wednesday. Interestingly as well, we heard from South Korea's newly elected president, who is viewed as very pro-Bitcoin, having said earlier this month that in order to realize the unlimited potential of the virtual asset market, we must overhaul regulations that are far from reality and unreasonable. So again, interesting to hear various governments buy in. Speaking of which, when we think about governments and their involvement in cryptocurrencies, of course, one of the reasons and thesis behind cryptocurrencies was to not have government involvement. And the Russia-Ukraine war is a perfect example of that, in the sense that when we see the sanctions, we've actually heard from Bitfinance that they will not freeze the accounts of unsanctioned users in Russia, saying that it would be unfair to do so. They are, of course, complying with sanctioned Russians. But again, moving away from government control, this company is doing exactly what they believe is the reason behind why cryptocurrency should exist. Also, it's interesting if you think about why this is called the first crypto war, in part because the central bank out of Ukraine has limited ATM withdrawals and also their foreign exchange market. So that has led Ukraine's largest crypto exchange to do a lot of the work here and the heavy lifting in terms of getting funds, cryptocurrencies, to Ukrainians to help support them. So very interesting move there as well. Away from that, and I've mentioned this a number of times, in a different page here, we are hearing that more and more hedge funds, general hedge funds, are actually entering into the cryptocurrency world, pouring billions of dollars in. That's a headline this week. Another headline, Credit Suisse is launching a $200 million crypto options trading fund. And we've also heard from a headline perspective that Bain Capital Ventures is launching a crypto-focused fund valued at about $560 million. Away from that, at eBay's Investor Day, they did share a preview of their digital wallet integration. The CEO telling a news outlet that it is considering adding cryptocurrencies as a payment option. And lastly, Nima, I'll leave it on this, Shake Shack, the burger joint. They are testing a Bitcoin rewards cash app, or with a cash app, I should say. So I love my burger, but I didn't expect to be thinking about using crypto yet to buy some favorite burgers. So I'll leave it there, Nima, back to you.
Crypto burgers. What an interesting concept, Catherine. Thanks for that. For more analysis and news on the markets, be sure to tune in to Catherine Murray on The Buck Stops Here.